How to add a second Face ID recognition on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. Then in here, we go down and tap on lock screen. Now enter the current PIN and tap on continued. Next, we go down to the Biometrics section and tap on face recognition. In here, tap on add alternative appearance to enhance recognition. Then tap on register. Next, you need to face your camera, face against the camera, and point your head upwards or tilt upward like this. Okay, so once it is 100% registered, you can now use your second Face ID. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.